Hey guys, what are three guys from different parts of the country, North Carolina, New York, and Wisconsin, doing down here in Florida? Hey, my name's Sean Lowry, and this here is
Robert Kempster from New York.
I'm Steve Radio from Wisconsin.
Okay, and I'm Sean Lowry. I'm a logger. I say that's my everyday job. I'm a logger from North Carolina, and that's my everyday thing. That's what I do as a job every day, an everyday thing.
Robert Kempster again, recently Director of Operations for a not-for-profit in New York, and I'm here in Florida.
I'm in customer service for insurance. I have a background in multiple companies for customer service.
All right. We're here tonight to explain or answer that question that Sean Lowry, the logger here, asked. What are we doing in Florida and why Florida? So
we're down here for a legendary marketer mastermind, which what legendary marketer mastermind is an education-based company teaching average people how to take hold of the internet, how to take hold of this online thing that we call the internet, and learn how to build a digital marketing business and kind of earn unlimited income from anywhere in the world. Like say average guys, like say me as a logger, myself as a logger, I got into this here thing, like saying just started actually learning how to make my first money online. Like I say, aside of my full-time job, because I got a full-time job, and aside of my full-time job, I learned how to create an income online because of this thing called legendary marketer.
Okay, Steve.
I got in because this is something that's designed for somebody that's just getting started learning about internet marketing, and there is I learned that there's that the source that the information comes from is a thing you want to consider. And I knew the source was good, and I knew later found out the people were good, and it just kept me going, and just know they continue to put out a lot of value. And that's where I'm at.
Great. And for me, I'm in legendary marketer because I am one of those people that made a career out of failing online. And legendary marketer changed all that. Now it's not failure galore, it's success galore. I'm transitioning from 2 full-time jobs and a half and school to part-time. All right? That's my transitioning schedule. When it is 0 jobs, I'll let you know. And by that time, we will be legendary marketer alone.
My take on that, like I say, this here's a program, Legendary. If you've been looking at Legendary Marketer, you've been thinking about it, looking at it, or somebody's introduced you to it, you need to really take a close look at this here thing. Like I say, because you can tell we're 3 different guys, 3 different backgrounds, 3 different backgrounds,
3 different states.
3 different states, totally, you know what I'm saying? And it's kind of brought us together, and we're learning so much about how things are done, and there's a whole lot more other people in this here program, you know what I'm saying, that we're learning from, we're getting tips from, you know what I'm saying, and people's actually getting results with this here thing, you know what I'm saying, and plus people's learning the first steps of how to start, you know what I'm saying, because there's a big problem out there. People don't know exactly how to start, how to do it, and like I say, this here company is Legendary Marketer, kind of walks you step by step on how to do it. It don't matter your background, don't matter your education, don't matter how high of an education you got or how low of an education you got. This is something that you can actually get into, and like I say, and produce results and learn and grow, like I say, something to stick with, you know what I mean?
You're the man. Absolutely true. Believe it or not. But I'm sure you believe this. Absolutely true. 3 different guys, 3 different backgrounds, 3 different states brought together in one unison by one idea, by one company. This is an educational product company teaching you step by step how to succeed online. Actually, not just online. It applies to anything you do in your life. We all will agree with that. We all will testify to that. It has changed my life, my organization, my delivery, my schedule, my discipline. And I'm probably sure it's true for you guys too.
Oh, yeah.
So this is not a fly-by-night. This is a brick and mortar. Well, all done online, of course. But we got backbone. And this is what it's all about. You are going to love this. If you've been holding back, just looking at it, no. You can't swim without dipping your feet in the water. Absolutely. And my fisherman friend here will tell you that.
Yeah. Hey, you can't catch nothing if you ain't willing to throw the pole out there in the water. That's for damn sure.
You can't sit on the fence. Even religion says that. Everything says you can't sit on the fence. You gotta step in or step out.
Actions.
Can be lukewarm. Yeah.
Steve? Action's a great part of anything.
And the education that we're being introduced to is coming from some of the top people in the industry. It's just not some novice putting out some, that's done average stuff. These are people that made multiple figures online, and they pretty much give you all the nuts and bolts to create a successful business, whether it's part-time, whether it's full-time. It's really up to you what you're looking for, but Legendary Marketer has it all. There's something for everyone.
Definitely. Yeah, there's something for everyone here. Like I said, there's something for everyone here, Legendary Marketer. Like I say, if y'all watching this here video and you think there's something that you might be interested or want to look into, I'm sure there's a link below that you can click, go to, find out more information. Somebody share this video with you, get up with them personally, and find out about this thing. Nothing won't ever happen unless you two take that first step, for yourself. Do this for yourself. Don't do this for anybody else. You know what I'm saying? Do this for you. This is something you got to make that decision on. You know what I'm saying? You you look at it and you decide for yourself. You know what I'm saying? This might be for you. This might not be for you. This might not be what you want to get into. This might not be for you, but it can. But the only way you're going to find out is if you actually step in there yourself and take a look. Like I said, there's a link below this here video you can go to. If this is on a YouTube channel, subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be more great content dropping along in here, more interviews from other people in this here Legendary Marketer. And like I say, as a whole, everybody as a whole just comes together. You know what I'm saying? Because I never thought I would kind of meet other people that that had the same interests that I had. They're maybe not my neighbors, or maybe, around my house where I stay at, or around your place where you stay at, there might not be these type of people. But if you start getting out there, like I met these two great guys right here from this program, and they kind of got the mindset like I do about wanting to, better their life, get out there and take chances on new things and everything like that. Yeah.
And the whole point of this is this. In my mind, we decided to put together this video because we think, how could you have a good thing and hide it from everybody else? We have to share this goodness. Because you want to pass through life feeling like you give something to society. If I'm getting, I want to give something back. So this is our chance to you. We want to give something back, but you have to open your hands and receive it. And that's how it works. So, like Sean said, there's the link below. Make sure you click on that link. Check it out. Maybe it's not for you, but maybe it will save your life. Maybe it's for you. If you can take care of yourself, you can take care of your family. If you can do all both, you can leave something behind for the next generation. And maybe you too, one day, will be the one behind the camera doing this video and helping somebody else. Just like if you let us, we would help you today.
Just like Sean and Robert said, click the video if it's for you, and if you want to learn more.
All right. And hey guys, we appreciate y'all hopping on here. Appreciate y'all watching the video. And we signing off?
Yes, we will sign off, and I'm going to give you my signature sign off. I'm the debt-free guy from New York, And my sign off, my call is, show me the money. Show me the money. And I want to show you the money. And these guys here, I want to show you the money. If you have a sign off, please do it.
Hey guys, this is me. This is Sean Larry Logger from North Carolina. And I hope y'all have a great day now. Y'all check into this.
Steve Riddill, I'm signing off. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you guys. See you next video.
Peace out, guys.